No, 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 no.
I'm so hungry. I can eat Bella.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I could eat Macy right now. I'm so hungry. I could eat a calico cat named Macy.
Girl, I am so hungry I could eat Wendy Joe McMullen.
I'm so hungry I could eat Nimbus.
I'm so hungry now. I could eat Theodore.
I'm so hungry. Like, I'm literally so hungry I could eat Dr. Conman. No, I could literally eat him. I'm so hungry.
I'm so hungry I could eat a damn cat. An orange one.
I'm so hungry I could eat a cat.
I'm so hungry I could eat a cat.
When you open your front camera and realize your group of friends is actually a tiny fluffy kitten council.
Don't even know just when or how, but every moment something new is waking up when I'm with you. Like colors I had never known, I find in places of their own. No need to rush, I feel it too. I'm so
Look at this tiny white cloud trying so hard to stay awake but failing miserably. 1 second he is judging you and the next he is a yawn.
Milo, it's garlic bread. Oh. Meh.
Nenek mana? Kan dari mimpi kalau ibu, nenek pulang mau bambang, kata gitu. Nah, ini dibawain obat tuh minum obat malam, vitamin.
Poor little buddy is dealing with a rough case of the itchy scratchies and it is driving us both totally bonkers today. He has got a few sore spots and a serious case of the tickles that just will not quit. Thankfully this magic spray is coming to the rescue right now. One quick spritz and he will be back to his usual cool cat self.
Cara penggunaannya cukup mudah, tinggal disemprotkan aja di badan kucing, lakukan hingga merata, tidak menunggu lama, nanti kutu akan segera mati. Remove obat kutu ini aman terjilat oleh kitten maupun kucing dewasa.
Olha a coisa mais bonita. Olha a coisa mais bonita, gente. Eu não sei se é macho ou se é fêmea, eu tenho que comer. Tá com frio. Ai, é muita deliciosidade isso, muito amor, é muito amor, muito amor, muito amor, muito amor. Ah, você fica com inveja de mim, né? Então, porque tu não tem dois, não tem três gatos. Muito amor, ouvido.
From a stoic stone statue to a chaotic fluff tornado in seconds. This tiny predator has zero chill and even less coordination. Watch as my majestic beast fails the simplest vibe check. First I look totally out of it, then I get some pets from my human, and finally I decide to just hide. Life is hard when you are this cute and also clearly very exhausted from doing absolutely nothing.
Nih, jaket apaan nih? Lu bilangin panca tuh. Udah gua laundry tuh.
This cat discovered gravity the hard way, and the existential dread in those eyes proves he was absolutely not ready for the ride.
Oh, isn't that wonderful? I never felt so much like Christmas in all my life. Don't you, Sherry dear?
Shut your nasty little face!
Silakan bang. Tadi bawah. Ada.
Lah, nenek mana? Kan dari mimpi kali ini gomit. Nenek pulang sama Om Bambang, kata gitu. Nah, ini dibawain obat terus mau apa? Vitamin.
Our orange chef finally lost it after 2 years of street food service. He literally fried the entire cutting board while his co-worker in the beret just watched the whole kitchen career go up.
Here's Johnny.
The orange cat logic is strong here as he attempts a complex yoga pose but ends up malfunctioning mid-grooming session.
Cậu cả là thằng mà phá gia, cậu cả thích chơi mà đập đá, cậu cả thiếu tiền không trả ha. Cậu cả là con ghê con gớt, cậu cả như trái ớt. Cậu cả là đại mà thiếu gia, cậu cả thiếu gia chứ không phải thiếu gia. Yeah, thằng này tao lo được, lên nhá.
This German Shepherd clearly graduated top of his class at the Academy of Heroic Hounds. Watch as he delivers a 5-star gourmet meal to this dramatic duck family just in time. Honestly, these ducklings are better at acting than most celebrities. Talk about a very good boy indeed.